Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can delete your OneDrive account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my desktop on my computer. So the first thing that you need to do guys is open File Explorer. If you don't find it here in your taskbar, just click on the Start menu and then type File Explorer. Once you do that, go ahead and click on Open, and then you're going to be right here. Here in the left, you're going to find all of the sections, and here under Gallery, as you can see, guys, you're going to find OneDrive. Right click on it, and then go to OneDrive right here. Then here, you're going to find View Online, Settings, and right here, you're going to find Folder Color. Go ahead and click on View Online, and this will take you to this page right here. So basically, guys, once you're here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of your files, photos, and so on. And if you want to delete your account, you need to go here to the top right corner. Then here, you're going to find your profile icon. Once you click on it, here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find My Microsoft account. So basically, guys, if you want to delete your OneDrive account, you need to delete your whole Microsoft account. So go ahead and click on My Microsoft account, and this will take you to this page. Just wait for it to load. So right now, go ahead and click on your info here in the left, and then you're going to be right here in this page. Once you're here, just scroll a little bit down, and then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find Close Account. Go ahead and click on Close Account. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you're going to find all of the steps that you need to follow to close your account. As you can see, guys, right here. So first of all, you need to sign in to start closing your Microsoft personal account. Then if you're prompted to sign in and or verify your account, follow the instructions. Check that the page shows the correct Microsoft account and then click Next. Read the list and click the checkboxes to acknowledge you've read each item. Choose to have the reopen window set to 30 or 60 days. In the Select a Reason drop-down list, choose an explanation for why you're closing the account. Click Mark Account for closure. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.